Hi friends, today we're going to do some writing with our wipe off strip. You will need a strip, your eraser, and your marker. And remember, we always put the top of the marker on the back, make sure it's tight, and then we do not hold the eraser, we put it down in front. We hold our strip with one hand and ready to write with the other. So today we're going to practice all of our lowercase letters. So let's start with the letter A. Again, these are lowercase, so dotted line. Put your marker on the dotted line. We're going to make a magic C, back up to the dotted line and straight down. A. Now we're going to practice the letter B. We're going to start at the blue line, go down, slide back up to the dotted line and around for a little belly, for little B. A, B, C, a magic C. Now, after C comes the letter D, and to make a D, you start with a C again. So again, a magic C all the way up to the top and straight down. So we have A, B, C, D, E. To start the letter, lowercase letter E, we put the marker in between the dotted line and the red line. You make a straight line, go up, touch the dotted line, and come down and touch the red. A, B, C, D, E. So what letter comes next? A, B, C, D, E, F, lowercase f. You start just below the blue line, curve up to the blue line, straight down, and a little cross in the middle. So far we have A, B, C, D, E, F. So let's prepare to make lowercase g. Lowercase g is our first basement letter. Again, we start with a magic C, up to the dotted line, straight down, down in the basement. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. H. To make the lowercase h, we start at the blue line, we slide to the red, we slide up to the dotted line, and again. Start at the blue, straight down, slide up to the dotted line, and around and down. H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Lowercase I. Dotted line, straight down, and a little dot. And remember, we make a little dot with lowercase I, not a big one. Okay, our next basement letter is a letter J. We start at the dotted line. We go through the red, go down in the basement, around, and a little dot. And now we're going to make lowercase k. Start at the blue line, go all the way to the red, go to the dotted line, kick in, kick out, lowercase k. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, and our next letter is L. And lowercase l is very easy. You start at the blue line, and we go all the way to the red. Lowercase l is just one straight line. Now we're going to move to lowercase m. We start at the dotted line, we slide down, we slide back up, around and around. Next, lowercase n. We start at the dotted line, we slide down, we slide back up again, and around for one hump. M has 2, N has 1. Lowercase o, dotted line, like the magic C, up and close it, O. Lowercase p, we start at the dotted line, we go down in the basement, we slide back up to the dotted line around and make sure you touch that red line. Okay, the P rests on the red line. So far we've done A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, little q. Again, it's a basement letter. We start with a magic C again. We go all the way up, and it's almost like a little G, and we go down in the basement, and we curl it back. Okay, let's focus on little R, dotted line down to the red, slide up and around. And lowercase s. You start near the dotted line, we curl back, almost like a little magic C, but we go down to the red and pull it back up. Okay, so on the strip so far, we've done A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. So we're going to erase now because we've used up the entire strip, and we're going to start with little t. We start at the blue line, we go all the way to the red, touch it, and a little cross in the middle, lowercase t. Lowercase u, we start on the dotted line, we slide down to the red, around, back up to the dotted line, and down again, and park it at the red. Make sure you come back down to the red. Lowercase v, we start at the dotted line, we slant to the right, and we slant to the right again, but we go back up and touch that dotted line. So we have TUV. And W is very much like the V, but we go slant, slant up, slant down, and up again. It's almost like two V's put together. And then we have lowercase x, slant one way, pick your marker up, go back to the dotted line, and slant another. Okay, then we go the dotted line, we slant one way for lowercase y, pick the marker up, go back to the dotted line, we slant the other way, but we go down in the basement. So y is a basement letter. And our last letter we're going to make today is lowercase z. We start right on the dotted line, we slide to the right, we slide down almost like the number 7, but you pull it back. So again, we finished on this strip with T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.